Hello, Mr. Hello, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Eva and my friends.
My name is Putu Narendra Mertaputra.
And my name is Kada Aranaya.
We will present the material, meaning different learning styles and needs in the EFL classroom. Effectively, strategies for accommodating our learners. Next. Introduction. In EFL, English as a foreign language classroom, meaning different learning styles and student needs is not only challenge but also a great opportunity to create an inclusive and effective learning environment. Students approach learning in a quiet way. Some are more interested to ask visual stimuli, the will observe learn more on auditory input or facial movement to understand the materials. Furnish and accommodating different learning styles in crucial to ensure our students can access and connect in the most effective way from term. Next. Some key benefit of David's learning styles in four traits. Visual and strong image and number two, auditory learners. Movement information better strong learners such as listening to our discussion. Number three, reading or writing learners. The student prefer the lens strong text or reading international materials. Number four, change page learners. The student learns most effectively by engaging in special activities such as role play, experience as using manipulative. Next. Identify learning styles. Several strategies can be asked to identify students. Next.
Okay, thank you, Eva. Identify learning style. Several strategies can be used to identify student learner style and including. Number one, observation. Observe how students respond to different type of learning activity. Are they more active in discussion or do they prefer reading material individually? Number two, learning style questionnaires. Various tests of survey so as the fact questionnaires can be used to determine student preferred learning modes. Number three, feedback analysis. Use feedback from students to evaluate their experiences with different teaching methods and understand what they feel work best. Okay, next. Types. Below is a detailed review of some of the most effective tools. Prepared learning modes. Visual learner strategy. Use the diagram, concept maps, picture of video to support understanding of abstract concept in EVL. For example, if teaching new vocabulary, read concept maps or image that reset the meaning of those words. For example, for the word travel, so an image of an airplane, a map, or various types of transportation associated with travel. Auditory learner strategy. Use auditory of like podcast, recording or lecture, group discussion, or web interaction are also very beneficial. For example, during listening lesson, provide students with recorded perception in English and ask well questions based on what they hear. This will help listening skill in a more authentic context. Kinetic learner strategy provide exposure for students to learn through uh, physical movement or experience. For example, when teaching English through drama or role play, allow students to ask scenario to practice conversation in real life situation. This not only makes it more enjoyable but also increase student engagement. Reading and writing learning strategy provide expert exemplify reading and writing. So, essay relation analysis. For example, after reading a short story or article, ask students to write summary of interpretation of the material, help the organize idea, and adapt their understanding of the context. Okay, next. The importance of differentiation and instruction. Differentiation in the education strategy that involves tailoring instruction to meet the various needs, interests, and ability of students in the context of an EVL classroom. Differentiation ensure that students are not only provided with material that suit learning style but also challenge and their level of proficiency. Next will be explained material by Naren.
Okay, why is differentiation important? The first one is maximize students' engagement. When lessons are tailored to the individual needs of students, engagement increase. A student who struggle with a certain skill may benefit from additional supports or practice in that area, while a student who excels may need more challenging materials, different content, process, and product ensure that each learner is adequately challenged, and motivated. Number two is foster inclusivity. An inclusivity classroom environment is one where students with various learning needs feel valued and understood. By offering differentiated activities, educators acknowledge the diversity of the classroom and affirm that all students are capable of success, regardless of their learning style or background. Okay, number three is ancient learning outcomes. Research has constantly show that differentiated instructions improve student learning outcomes when teachers provide opportunities for students to engage in activities that cater to their individual strengths. Retentions and comprehension of the material improve. Furthermore, students become more confident and independent in their learning. Last, promotes autonomy. By providing different ways to engage with content, students can choose the method that best suits their learning style. This promotes a sense of autonomy and encourages students to take responsibility for their learning, thus fostering a growth mindset. Okay, Practically approaches for differentiation in the EVL classroom. The first one is content differentiations. Teacher can model what students learn by offering different level of reading material, vocabulary list, and grammar exercise based on the proficiency level of the student. For example, beginner learner might receive simplified text, while advanced learner would engage with more complex materials. Number two, process differentiations. The process of learning can be differentiation through various methods, such as providing visual aids, using real life situations or to reinforce language, or offering collaborative group work and peer learning. By differentiating the process, teacher can ensure that each student has access to appropriate learning experience. Number three, product differentiations. The output or product experienced from student can also vary. For instance, while one student may demonstrate their understanding through a right essay, another might present or an oral summary, and yet another could create a visual project like mind map. This ensures that students are able to showcase their skill in ways that align with their learning style. The conclusion is uh, if in an EFL classroom, managing diverse learning style and needs is not just a challenge. It is opportunity for educator to embrace more holistic approaches to teaching. By identifying different learning style and employing strategies such as flexible lesson planning, varied material, and differentiation in instructions, teacher can create a learning environment that is inclusive, engaging, and effective. After all, the goal is not merely to teach English, but to equip students with the skill and confidence to communicate in the language, no matter their individual learning style. So, when faced with a diverse group learning, one question remains: how will you manage this difference to ensure success for all? The answer, of course, is differentiation, truthful strategy, and commitment to meeting students where they are. With these tools, every student can thrive in their language learning journey. Okay, that's all about differentiations in EVL class. Thank you, and feel free to ask. Goodbye.